Hello everybody, Chris Gill, the president and founder of Lone Star Warriors Outdoors. Just want to say how excited I am this year to be working with UVC Power Sports. They are donating $100 for every unit sold in the Kawasaki brand, the Mule and the Terex, and that's an amazing thing. So what we do is we are an organization, nonprofit, a 501c3, and we take care of combat injured veterans. We work on suicide prevention, PTSD recovery. So this is our 11th year in business as a nonprofit, and UVC Power Sports has been a sponsor of ours since pretty much the first year, day one. They are great people, a great company, a veteran-owned company, and they really support the veterans. So I just got to say a big thank you to them. I'm really looking forward to this relationship and what comes out of this year. Finances, as anybody that runs a nonprofit knows, finances are the biggest hurdle we have. Just from the standpoint of getting money, what we do is we do all expense paid trips for combat injured veterans, and being able to even raise $600 for one of our hunts allows me to bring a guy in, pay for his gas, pay for his lodging, pay for his food. Kind of a quick synopsis of what we do. We bring groups of 3 to 5, no smaller, no bigger, out hunting, and the whole thing is I want these guys to bond. And I say guys, we've had some women on the hunts as well, combat veterans, but we want these individuals to bond like they were in the military. And when they leave, my goal is that they have a phone number of somebody they can call in the middle of the night when things get bad. I appreciate UVC Power Sports for jumping on board to help us out, to help with this mission, and I look forward to what this year brings. So y'all definitely check out UVC Power Sports, and thanks for watching.